Good day, all. Hope you're having a great day. The biggest changes have been announced to the Australian work visas, particularly the subclass 482, commonly known as the Temporary Skills Shortage TSS visa. It is being replaced at the end of 2024 with the Skills in Demand visa. Now, you may be asking, how's it going to work? What changes can we see with this new visa? Let me break it down for you. The department has highlighted key changes with these skills in demand visas. For a start, the skills in demand visa will have a three-tiered pathway. Tier 1, which is the specialist skills pathway. This pathway caters to the highly skilled migrants earning over Australian dollars 135,000. It is designed for professionals but excludes trade workers, missionary operators, drivers, and manual laborers. The cherry on top this pathway is the fast track processing within just 7 days for a visa to be issued. The second tier is the core skills pathway. This is targeted towards workforce needs that take center stage. The occupations must be listed on the core skills occupations list to be eligible for this visa. The processing time is expected to be approximately 21 days, providing a swift pathway to qualified individuals. To be third and final tier is the essential skills pathway. Lower paid workers currently under a labor agreement and earning below the TISMIT, which is Australian dollars 70,000, will benefit from this sector specific pathway. With stronger regulation and advice from Jobs and Skills Australia, it aims to fill critical workforce gaps and support economic growth. What else is changing? I'm glad you asked. Here are some of the other notable changes. 1. Longer visa duration. The Skills in Demand visa offers a 4-year stay in Australia, providing stability for migrants and their families. 2. Enhanced worker mobility. Visa holders will have a 180-day period to find a new employer, providing flexibility and reducing stress during job transitions. 3. Recognition of employment. Time spent with an approved employer will be counted towards permanent residency requirements, recognizing the valuable contribution of skilled workers to the Australian workforce. 4. Skilling Australia Fund. Employers will now be able to pay their fees in installments over the visa duration, thus contributing to training for Australians and fostering skills development. 5. Transparency. A public register of approved sponsors will provide transparency and disclosing migrant sponsorship details to the public. 6. Accredited Sponsor Program. Startups with venture capital can access this program, facilitating easy access for skilled migrant workers and promoting innovation. 7. Labor market testing. Changes may include extending the validity of the job advertisements and moving towards a more genuine independent verification of workforce needs, ensuring a fair and transparent hiring process. Exciting times ahead, folks, as we eagerly anticipate more details about the Skills in Demand visa. We'll keep you updated, so stay tuned in. If you require assistance or guidance with regards to any employment or work visas or any other immigration matter, connect with us using the contact details on screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and updates. If you have any questions and experience to share, drop them in the comments below.